Hey, so if you run a small business and want to stay organized without expensive software, yeah, Google Sheets is actually powerful enough to handle most of your daily operations. In this guide, I'll show you how to use Google Sheets for small business step by step in 2026. First, create separate sheets for sales, expenses, inventory, and customers. Track daily sales using columns like date, product, quantity, and total revenue. Add an expense sheet to monitor rent, supplies, salaries, and other costs. Keep track of stock levels so you always know what products are available. Use formulas like sum, if, and count to automate calculations. Build a dashboard sheet that shows profits, expenses, and sales trends in one place. Use charts to understand your business performance visually. Create a customer list with names, contact info, and purchase history. You can share your sheets with employees and control editing access. Keep your sheets updated daily or weekly to maintain accurate business data. And yeah, that's it. That's how you use Google Sheets for small business to manage sales, expenses, and growth in 2026.